Hello, cloud enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic lined up for you: the advanced features of AWS EC2. Specifically, we'll be unraveling the mysteries behind spot instances and reserved instances. So, grab your coffee, sit back, and let's jump into the world of cloud computing magic. Before we delve into the advanced features, let's quickly recap what AWS EC2 is. Elastic Compute Cloud, or EC2, is a scalable cloud computing service that allows you to run virtual servers in the cloud. It's the backbone of many applications, providing flexibility, scalability, and reliability. Now, let's move on to the exciting stuff. Alright, folks! Imagine getting the computing power you need at a fraction of the cost. That's where spot instances come in. These are spare computing capacities available at a significantly lower price. Perfect for workloads that can handle interruptions, spot instances can supercharge your performance without breaking the bank. Let me show you how to launch a spot instance on the AWS console. It's easy, and the savings are substantial. But, of course, there's a catch. Stay tuned to find out how to navigate the potential interruptions. While spot instances offer incredible cost savings, they can be interrupted if AWS needs the capacity back. But don't worry! We'll share some best practices and tips on handling interruptions, ensuring a smooth and reliable experience with spot instances. Now, let's talk about reserved instances, another game-changer in the AWS EC2 ecosystem. Reserved instances allow you to reserve capacity for a specific period, providing a significant discount compared to on-demand pricing. It's like having a VIP pass for your computing needs. I'll guide you through the process of purchasing reserved instances on the AWS console. Trust me, this is a strategic move that can lead to substantial cost savings in the long run. Stick around to learn more. The million-dollar question, or should I say, the money-saving question, is which model is right for your workload. We'll break down the key factors to consider when choosing between spot instances and reserved instances. Understanding these nuances will empower you to make informed decisions tailored to your specific needs. Get ready to be inspired! We've gathered success stories from businesses that have embraced reserved instances and witnessed remarkable results. These first-hand accounts will showcase how reserved instances have become a game-changer for organizations, both big and small. While spot instances offer incredible benefits, security is paramount. In this segment, we'll delve into the security considerations when using spot instances and share best practices to ensure your data remains safe and protected in the cloud. Flexibility is key in the dynamic landscape of cloud computing. Discover how reserved instances contracts provide flexibility to adapt to changing business needs. We'll explore the options available and how you can make the most out of your reserved instances contracts. Now, let's talk about scalability, a crucial factor in the world of cloud computing. Discover how spot instances and reserved instances can boost your application's performance by providing scalable solutions. We'll explore the metrics and tools you need to ensure your applications run seamlessly, even during peak times. Spot fleets and mixed instances policy are advanced features that take spot instances to the next level. Stay tuned as we unravel the benefits of using spot fleets and how the mixed instances policy can optimize your cost savings while maintaining flexibility in your infrastructure. Strategic planning is the key to maximizing the benefits of reserved instances. In this segment, we'll discuss planning strategies to help you make informed decisions when purchasing reserved instances. It's not just about saving money, it's about optimizing your resources efficiently. Let's bring theory into practice. We'll explore real-world examples of how businesses are leveraging spot instances to handle varying workloads efficiently. From startups to enterprises, discover the versatility of spot instances in different industries. Ensuring optimal performance is an ongoing process. In this segment, we'll explore the monitoring and optimization tools available for spot instances and reserved instances. Stay tuned to discover how these tools can enhance your efficiency and streamline your cloud operations. Hybrid cloud is a buzzword in today's tech landscape. In this segment, we'll discuss how spot instances and reserved instances fit into hybrid cloud strategies. Learn how to seamlessly integrate on-premises and cloud resources for a well-rounded and efficient infrastructure. Understanding your cloud costs is essential for effective budgeting. In this segment, we'll delve into cost allocation and reporting features for spot instances and reserved instances. Learn how to analyze and optimize your spending to get the most value out of your AWS investment. And there you have it, folks, a comprehensive journey through the advanced features of AWS EC2. We've covered everything from spot instances and reserved instances to scalability, real-world examples, security considerations, and optimization strategies. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech insights. Until next time, happy cloud computing! Subscribe for more tech insights, like this video, follow us for updates.